Hello everyone, let's start with our 15th question. In this question we have two parts. Let's start with the first one. Identify the part of the electromagnetic spectrum used in one radar and second eye surgery. Write their frequency range. Okay. The frequency range of microwaves is 10 to raised by 10 to 10 raised by 12 hertz, and for ultraviolet rays its frequency range is minus to 10 to raised by 15 to 10 raised by 17 hertz. Now come to the solution of second part. Prove that the average energy density of the oscillating electric field is equal to that of the oscillating magnetic field. As we know, average energy density of electric field is given by half epsilon naught E square. We can put E square as CB square and C as 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. By solving this, we will get half B square by mu square. This is the formula of average energy density of magnetic field.